From the moment you were a kid, you were told, go to school, get good grades, get a safe job, work hard, save a little, maybe, just maybe, retire someday. But what if I told you that system wasn't built to make you rich? Today, we're going to unravel the biggest financial illusion you've been living under, and more importantly, how to break free from it starting right now. The hidden blueprint you were never meant to see. Think about it. If the traditional system really worked, why are so many people living paycheck to paycheck? Why does financial freedom feel like an impossible dream for most? The truth is, the system you were taught to trust was designed in a different world. A 9-to-5 could comfortably buy you a house, car, and retirement today. Sticking to the old plan is like trying to win a game where the rules are rigged against you. And the people getting rich? The two games of money. There are two parallel games being played right now. Game 1, the one you were taught, work hard, save a little, hope it's enough. Game 2, the one the wealthy play. Build assets. Create systems, let money work for you. You trade time for money. In Game 2, you trade ideas and systems for freedom. Nobody teaches you how to switch games. The 3 silent lies that keep you stuck. Lie number 1. Work harder and you'll get ahead. Hard work alone doesn't build wealth. Leverage does, multiplying your effort through technology, automation, and networks. There's no safety in depending on a single paycheck controlled by someone else. Real security comes from diversifying your income streams. 3. Be patient. Your time will come. Meanwhile, the wealthy create opportunities instead of waiting for them. The awakening moment, the moment you realize the old rules are broken, everything changes. How can I earn a raise? How can I work more hours? How can I automate and scale what I already know? That shift is the beginning of your financial awakening. And most people never get there. You're here searching for answers. Which means you're ready for the next step. The new rules of building wealth in 2025. Rule number 1. Own, don't rent. Own your time. Own your platform. Own your audience. Rule number 2. Multiply, don't add. Don't think one job. Think one idea. 5 income streams. 3 automata, then expand. Build systems that run without you. Then stack new ones. Rule number 4. Invisible, visible. The flashiest people are usually the brockest. The quiet builders are the ones who win. Rule number 5. Compound everything. Money. Relationships. Growth stacks over time if you let it. So how do you start breaking free? It's simpler than you think. A skill, a platform, start small, scale fast. 1 blog, 1 faceless channel, 1 subscription offer. Focus on ownership, not labor. Build assets that work for you, not clients you have to chase. Commit to compounding. Every tiny improvement builds momentum over time. You don't need to be an expert. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You were never supposed to get rich following the rules. The system wasn't designed for your freedom. It was designed for your compliance. You're standing at the doorway staring at a different game. A game where your income isn't tied to your time. Where freedom isn't a someday dream, it's a real tangible destination. The only question is, will you keep playing their game? Or start building your own? If you're ready to rewrite your future, smash that like button, hit subscribe.